Today on Displacement Garage, we're installing a cold air intake on the Extreme T Tundra. Alright, like I said today, we're installing an SMB cold air intake. I got it on Amazon for about $300. I'm not sure if we'll see any gains. Maybe at the high end, at the low end, from everything I've been reading, I'm probably going to lose a little bit of horsepower and torque. That's okay. I don't really tow with this guy, and I'm hoping I'll be able to make it up in the future with a programmer, long tube headers, and high flow cats if I can get away with that here in Colorado. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so that was the SMB cold air intake install on the Extreme T Tundra. It was about $300 on Amazon. I'll let you guys know in a couple weeks with a short video of what I think, if I feel any sort of throttle response, increase in gas mileage, and so on and so forth. If you liked what you saw here today, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Displacement Garage.